Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to unbox Xbox Series X controller, which I have got it from Amazon. So let's open it up. So this is an upgrade from my existing Xbox 360 controller, and I'll put it side by side just to compare. And this is the carbon black. I like the black color. Packaging is nice, looks original. Xbox wireless controller and manufactured main tech computer, so looks original. MRP is 5,590. Okay, so let's open it up. Hopefully this is a new one. Okay. I opened it incorrectly. So as you can see, very simple packaging, just the controller and two batteries. To compare with Xbox 360 controller, as you can see, there is a different new share button, and the Xbox logo is sort of in the panel itself as opposed to what was in the 360. And the pairing button, it has a USB-C port, so you can connect it with wires. It's USB-C type, and you can use it with batteries also, so either two batteries or USB-C type. And here is the plug and play kit, and you can connect your headset also. So this is it, nothing much has changed, and I think triggers have been a little bit different. So overall, looks premium. It's in the matte finishing, and yeah, not much of a difference. Let me play some games and give you a review based on my usage. And if you want to buy this, I'll give the link in the description. Let's see if there is anything else. So there are some documentation, safe regulatory guide, and that's it. So what you need to do is press this button for some time, and you will see a pop-up in your Windows saying new Bluetooth game controller found, because this is an Xbox controller and Windows knows how to connect it. So just press connect, and it will say Bluetooth game paired, your device is ready to go, and this white light which was blinking earlier would stabilize. So as you can see, you can control Windows also with this. But if we want to play games with more compatibility, what we need to do is we need to go to this Xbox app and download, sorry, you need to go to store and download Xbox accessories app. This one right here. I have already installed it, so let me just open it, and it has detected that I've connected to a controller, and if you want you can configure it. Okay, connect with a USB cable. Okay, so we need to connect it to a USB-C cable in order to configure it. So let me do that. So once you connect it with the USB-C cable, you would see this loading, and you can go to configure, and there you can select a profile, or you can create a new profile, or go back. Let's see. Okay, so you can update it as well. So it is applying the update. While this is updating, the light will blink, don't worry. And don't move the controller and don't touch any wires. It will apply some update. So I have read online somewhere that some of the games don't recognize this controller unless you update. So I am updating as soon as I got it. So let me just pause this, and when it finishes I'll continue. So once the update is completed, it will show updated. You can press next and then you can configure it as you like. You can create a new profile, just call. So now you can map buttons. For example, you want a map a specific button, which is this. You want to do it something else, so you can do that. Or you can swap triggers, vibration, turn it off, or you can invert the axis. So you can do all kinds of customization in this Xbox accessories app. Okay, so here it is. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and let me know if you're facing any issues or if you have any suggestion about this Xbox controller. एंड सब्सक्राइब गाइस, सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब करो, और वीडियो देख रहे हो अच्छा लगा लाइक करो, शेयर करो। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।